want to protect, you want a protective shield to the bank officials?
I'm told that there's some internal inquiry that is going
Internal
on.
inquiry agala. Criminal case should be registered against these bank officials who are conniving with borrowers and eating away public money. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? 5 ಲಕ್ಷ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಸರ್ಫೇಸಿ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೊಂದು ಕಾಟ.
Which is notice is not ordered. I appear for the bank. Some public money is involved.
I'll tell you one thing. Definitely public money is involved. Where are the bank officers as accused? Why have you left the bank officers? This cannot happen without the bank officers conniving with the accused.
There have been some lapses.
No, some lapse silva illa. If you have, I'll stay everything unless you bring in bank officials. Bank officials today are indulging everything with conniving with everybody. Who is the valuer? Who valued the property sitting in the chamber? Who is the legal opinion given that it is a marketable title? How did you release the amount?
I understand.
Then?
This is a modus operandi.
Modus operandi definitely involves the bank officials also. How have you made only these two accused?
That too, my lord, I am a seller.
ಇವ್ರಿಗಂತೂ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಏನು.
In fact, our allegation is that there is a collusion amongst all the seller and the buyer.
That's a different thing. Collusion, see, now there is no property. That's the allegation. There is no property at all existing. How did you grant the loan? Who visited the property? Why have you left the bank officials? And you make these two accused and want to protect, you want a protective shield to the bank officials?
I'm told that there's some internal inquiry that is going on.
Internal inquiry agala. Criminal case should be registered against these bank officials who are conniving with borrowers and eating away public money. How will you leave them? Unless you bring them to books, I will not permit inquiry against these, investigation against these people. ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾರು ಬೇಕೋ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ pick and choose ಮಾಡಾಗಲ್ಲ. To save your skin, you can't do that. You can't say offense is the best force of defense. It can't be, sir. If it's public money for you, public money for everybody.
I understand.
It's taxpayers' money.
Certainly.
Then the bank official treat it as though it is their own money. Why do you leave them? You have registered the crime.
Yes, now
Why do you leave your officers?
the pending internal inquiries.
What internal inquiry? How inquiry no agalla alli. If there is no property at all existing, how was the loan of 2 crores granted?
If the CCB were to conduct investigation and
No,
make them
these matters, there are
accused.
4 or 5. I'll rope in CBI, I have told you. This is not correct at all. How did the bank, and why, they are not even accused. They are not even accused. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? 5 ಲಕ್ಷ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಸರ್ಫೇಸಿ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೊಂದು ಕಾಟ.
Some lawyers are also involved. The legal opinion ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ.
Whatever. Who valued the property, you tell me?
Some third party agencies.
Why did you take that valuation? You don't have an approved valuer? You have.
In fact, there was a disclaimer also given by the valuer.
ಹೌದಾ? ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ.
ಅದೇನೋ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು.
No. ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಯಾಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ರಿ ಲೋನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ? When the valuer says I have not seen the documents, why did you grant loan?
There have been some lapses and
Some
deficiencies.
lapse alla. Bank officials should be first made accused. You protect them, because that is why you protect them and make these accused.
The CCB investigation to unearth.
Unless you do that, these things will not stop. If you have to plug it, you have to plug it properly.
Certainly.
Public money, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ public money ನೇ.
The same property has been sold to 4-5 different.
ಹೌದು sir, there is no property at all ಅಂತ, that is the allegation.
ಹೌದು.
He is his 5th purchaser ಇವರು.
ಹೌದು.
He has been hoodwinked.
Our internal further inquiries reveal that the purchaser himself has submitted fraudulent documents such as bank statements from UAE, fake ID cards. They are also part of the modus operandi.
Did not see.
That was done a postmortem.
Whatever. Why you did not see? Why is the bank turning a blind eye to everything and granting loans? 2 hours ಅಲ್ಲಿ 50 ಲಕ್ಷ ಸ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಅದು ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. How do you do all this? You're playing with public funds. Just because you're flushed with money.
So we have quite stringent norms. But
What stringent?
one of those
What stringent?
occasions, rare circumstances.
What stringent? We can't haul these people. He's himself a victim. according to what he said, but I don't know about investigation, he's himself a fifth purchaser. You should catch hold of the first borrower who sold it. He is not the accused. Bank officials are not the accused. Borrowers are not the accused. Person who took money from you and sold it for the first instance is not the accused. You are not accused. And bank officials are all.
FIR is not an encyclopedia.
Correct, sir. Not an encyclopedia. You can add, but prima facie first ಅವ್ರು ಇರ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. Hello, Jagdish. It's not the way at all.
Without their approval.
Well, without bank officers conniving or being hand in glove with these borrowers, what can happen? Nothing can happen. Anyway, file your objections. What is the role of these people?
Yes, sir.
Yes. The respondent, HDFC Bank, registers a complaint, which becomes a crime in crime number 61 of 2025 or crime number 1212 of 2025 for offences punishable under so and so. The petitioners are accused who have purchased the property. They are the fifth in line purchasers. The amount was borrowed from HDFC Bank by one. ಯಾರದು? ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Accused number 1 ಇದ್ದಾರಾ ಅವರು?
Mohammed Abras.
Is
Accused number 1 ಇದ್ದಾರಾ?
A3.
By accused number 1 is said to be a non-resident Indian. Loan is granted, credit facility of 2 crores is granted without looking.
May interject. ಅವರು A2 ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
A1 ಅಂತ A2 ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
Okay, others first ಆಮೇಲೆ
So and so.
A1 yours.
Then loan of 2 crores is granted. The allegation is there are no documents with regard to the property that was kept as collateral. It is ununderstandable as to how the bank officials have granted a loan to the accused number 1 without looking into any of the documents, without looking into the existence of property or otherwise. Therefore, the respondent shall file its objections as to what steps they have taken towards the officials of the bank or others who are involved in the transaction. Pending filing of objections, further investigation by these petitioners shall remain stayed. Now, accused number 2 na?
Accused number 2.
Stayed accused number 2 only.
Please.
So I filed my wakalat for the bank.
Worship may say, my lord, that
Investigation the other accused shall continue.
including the bank official.
ಅದು ಇನ್ನು accused ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ, ನಾವು
ನೀವು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
My friends will be noted. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ.
Learned Counsel KG Ayappa and undertakes to enter appearance for the respondent.
Number 2.
Respondent number 2 registered to print the name of so and so as appearing for the second respondent. Objections, if any, list the matter on 18th March.
I'll do the needful. Grateful.